For this particular project, I'm going to use something called Kerdi board instead of making the cement bed with the sand mix, so that I don't have to make it slope of 5 feet, and this makes the job so easy. This is what I have done, a dry fit. I cut the Kerdi board with the utility knife to fit to our size. It's very easy to cut, just run the blade down, and it's a very high density thick foam. It comes pre-sloped. If you can see, this is already pre-sloped to the drain. I have installed the drain as per the instructions. Everything is in place, all perfect to the size. So I will remove it and I will show you how it looks below. So I have removed it. It comes folded like this. This is the other side of it, and we will be doing the final installation. This is how my floor is on the wooden surface. I have installed the high density Hardy board, and then I've changed all the plumbing to suit to this requirement. The drain flange is completely installed, and I have put the unmodified thin set, everything on it, and now I'm going to place the Kerdi board. That would complete the installation of Kerdi board. Okay, so I'm installing the Kerdi board now. And we will adjust it so that it is making a full contact. So this is the last waterproofing membrane. You have to remove all the air bubbles from inside and make sure that it sticks nicely and firmly. So finally, the whole Kerdi board installation is done. The drain flange is very nicely installed, waterproofed and everything. And you see the whole thing is ready for tiling. This is so simple. I did this in probably 15 minutes. This Kerdi board is very light and very heavy duty. You can walk on it, and after we do the tiling and everything, it becomes very solid shower bed. And this has got a lifetime warranty on it, and this looks pretty decent, very easy to install. And then I will make this gap with some filling. I might use half a bag of sand mix and fill it up, and then we will do the tiling. So you see, we are halfway done. See, the drain is properly installed, tiles are properly installed with the proper grout lines. Half, 3/4 is done, a few more tiles to go.
Thank you.